In the aftermath of a gentle rain, Minnie, a small kitten, sits amidst the glistening dewdrops, her wide eyes captivated by the vivid rainbow that paints the sky. As the rainbow shimmers with ethereal light, a colorful butterfly descends, its wings a kaleidoscope of hues, landing softly on a nearby flower. The butterfly speaks, its voice like the whisper of the wind. If you show kindness, I can take you to the rainbow, but you must perform 3 good deeds. Minnie responds with a hopeful meow. Minnie trots down the village path, her ears alert, sensing a disturbance in the peaceful day. Compassion guides her as Minnie gently nudges the fallen baby bird back into its nest, a butterfly fluttering nearby as if in applause. Further along, Minnie's kindness shines as she pushes the farmer's fallen bucket to save the precious water, then finds and returns the lost carrot to the crying rabbit. Colors pour down from the rainbow, painting a vibrant path on the ground. Minnie races onto the luminous colors, soaring toward a magical world. The real magic is helping others, Minnie declares, surrounded by radiant colors.